sound can be heard over long distances in the water. Now, vocalizations maintain their natural behavior. That is behaviors that battle stockfish will do out in the wild. But they're also natural acrobats. There are a couple of natural behaviors that they would like to show you. But first, did you know that dolphins can walk on water? No? Well then, check these out. Good job, Haley. Now what if the dolphins need to take a look around? What will they do? This next behavior do we call Nakaibaw. High up in the air to help them see long distances. As you can see, these dolphins are perfectly designed for life in the sea. They can dive down to depth over 1,000 feet, hold their breath for up to 15 minutes, and they can also swim as fast as 77 kilometers per hour. Are you ready, guys? And hit it! Consultation friends. Good job, ladies. And right now, we will give them a short break because I think they need that. But don't you worry because they'll be back later part of the show.